Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. I'm sad. I only have 4 pieces of sushi left. Mm. No. It's really good though. What is up, KT Dynasty? If you're a new viewer, hi, hey, hello, how you doing? Don't forget to smash that like button, tap the subscribe button, and comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And I hope you come back for more. You guys, so today I'm having my ultimate favorite. We are doing sushi with the infamous Bloveslife sauce. Let me get a good thumbnail. Ooh, hang on. It's not gonna work. One of those will work. You guys, so I've been like so scared of running out of this Bloveslife sauce. I hope I didn't butcher it because I literally only had a little bit left, and I've been trying so hard to save it for when I get my crab legs. But I saw that Bloveslife did a sushi video, and she was dipping like her sushi in the sauce. So I was like, Now the cucumber sausage and rice combination was bomb. So I can only imagine how this is gonna taste. But I added some like extra butter and some extra chicken broth to what I already had. So I hope I didn't like do too much and ruin it, you guys, because I'll be so upset because I've been, this little bit has been like sitting in the freezer waiting for the crab legs. So here we go, guys. Still good. Still tastes bomb. Do you guys like sushi? Hang on a sec. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. And I have a question. Not that I really care because I'm gonna tend to my child regardless, but somebody on one of my videos commented, and they're like, maybe you can cut out the parts when your baby's crying. And yeah, I could do that. But some people get it and some people don't. When I'm trying to make these videos, sometimes my fiance is here to help. And even sometimes when he is here to help, sometimes the baby's crying. Babies cry. That's what they do. If you don't like it, and you don't want to hear the baby crying, or you don't want to see the baby, you don't have to watch my videos, hunty. This is so good. And I'm not trying to be like, oh, whatever, but sometimes in the video, during a part where the baby's crying, I might be talking about something that I want to keep in there, and I don't want to edit it out. So you might just hear the baby crying. But I love my baby. It's my first time trying this one. Looks good. It's so good. I wish you could have some, Dad. It's really good. Bloveslife, please put some more sauce on the market. I was over here like legit, like when I say I only have like a little container full, I realized I only had a little container full. Like to the point where I was nervous reheating it on the stove. Because I'm like, This don't look like it did the first time. Where you going? Where you going, Dada? Look how big my baby's getting. Oh my gosh. He's about to be 3 months. Big boy. Like this video if you love sushi. I can eat sushi every day. My fiance literally picked this up for me on his 30-minute break. Oh my god, you guys, he's the best. He literally ran to the place, paid for the food, hurry up, came home, dropped it off. Now he's on his way back to work. That was like his whole break. I love him. He always take good care of me. You guys, this is so freaking good. Yeah, there's like this fried one. It's my first time trying it. It looks like it has like cream cheese, crab meat, and some other stuff in it. I don't know. Oh shoot. I don't know. It's really good though. Because it's almost been like, what, a week since my last video? Gotta do better. Also, somebody said they wanted me to bring pranks back to the channel. I took a toll on Instagram, and 100% said yes, bring back the pranks. So, DM me some prank ideas, you guys. I'm about to shake it up and start prank wars. Y'all love those cheating pranks, though. Them get dangerous. You blowing a spit bubble? So good. I'm really sorry if you guys can hear the puppies in the background. We are currently looking for new homes for 8 puppies. So if you are interested, send me a message directly on Instagram. Links will be in the description box down below. Yeah. If you want to sit with mama, you gotta be good, baby. You gotta be good, baby. Yeah. If you're happy and you know I got pants. Look at these thighs. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. You guys, this is the best right here. Oh, this is the best. I could eat this every day with the Bloveslife sauce. You guys can't even see the sushi on camera anymore. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sad. I only have 4 pieces of sushi left. This is bomb. Oh, baby. Whew. Alright, you guys. I know this video did not consist of much talking today, but as per usual, just had to clock in on the cam, tell you guys, hey, hi, hello. Depending on where it is, where you're located, might be breakfast, lunch, or dinner time. Right here, it's a little after lunchtime. Kids are gonna be coming home soon. Run for the hills. Sorry about that, you guys. Baby wanted a little snacky snack. I kind of want to just like let this sit in here and marinate. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be a good last bite. Kids are home. You better tuck that lip back in. Go sit down.
I was good at school today.
Good. I'm glad one of you were.
I mean, popcorn Friday.
Oh, popcorn Friday.
See?
Okay. Wait, let me see that.
Read it.
Yeah, popcorn Friday. I thought it used to be on Thursdays. They switched it to Friday.
Yep.
Can you get your brother?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh.
Go your big brother. All my sushi's gone. That's what my portion says. Everything tastes good in the Be Love sauce. Not. Literally everything does though, but not this. Well, I don't know. It says, you'll soon meet a lifelong kindred spirit. This cookie tastes stale. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by and tuning in to the Dynasty. Make sure you stay tuned for the videos. Make sure your post notifications are turned on so you don't miss a single second. You guys, we got pranks coming. More mukbangs coming. Let me know if you guys want me to get into ASMR. Or just less talking during my videos. Let me know. I gotta go.